our last class, we have discussed the method of substitution to solve a pair of linear equations in two variables. So here we are going to discuss second algebraic method, that is the elimination method. So here I have taken one example. The example is like this. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of expenditure is 4:3. If each of them is managed to save rupees 2000 per month, find their income. So from this word problem, first our aim is to find out a pair of linear equation in two variables. So let us find those equations. The ratio of the income is 9:7. So let the income of first person is 9x and second person is 7x. Then expenditure, let the expenditure of first person is 4y and expenditure of our second person is 3y. So here I have taken, for income the variable is x and for expenditure the variable is y. So if the income and expenditures are given, then what is the saving? Saving is equal to income minus expenditure. So saving of first person is equal to 9x minus 4y. Then savings of second person is equal to 7x minus 3y. So according to question, their savings are equal, that is rupees 2000. So our equation 1 is equal to 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. And equation 2 is equal to 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So here I have to follow some steps to solve these two equations by the method of elimination. Step 1. First multiply both the equations by some suitable non-zero constants to make the coefficient of one variable x or y numerically equal. So here you look at these two equations. Here I want to equate the coefficient of y here. So if I will multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, then the coefficient of y will be minus 12 in both the cases. So equation 1 multiplied with 3. So this becomes 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000. Then equation 2 multiplied with 4. So this becomes 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Then step 2. Add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. So here the coefficient of y in both the equation is minus 12. So here I have to subtract. This is equation 3 and this is equation 4. So here I have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3 like this. So this becomes minus x. So y variable is eliminated here. So is equal to minus 2000. So this implies x is equal to 2000. So the income of first person. So income of first person is equal to 9 multiplied with 2000, that is rupees 18,000. And income of second person is equal to 7 multiplied with 2000, this is equal to rupees 14,000. So this is the answer. We have solved this pair of linear equation in two variables by elimination method. After following step 2 here, after subtracting these two equation 4 from equation 3, I got the value of x here. So step 3 is solve the equation in one variable, so obtain to get this value. So here I have used the step 3 and I found the value of x as 2000. Then step 4, substitute this value of x or y in either of this original equation to get the value of the other variable. So here I have got the value of x. Again, to find the value of y, I have to put this value of x in equation, any of the equation, I have to put the value of x. First person and second person, here in question, the question is to find the income. But if we want to find the expenditure also, we will find the value of y. So by putting the value of x, in equation 1, we will get the value of y. Here by following the step 4, substitute this value of x or y in either of the original equation to get the value of other variable. So here I am putting the value of x in equation 1. So 9 multiplied with 2000 minus 4y is equal to 2000. So this implies minus 4y is equal to 2000 minus 18,000. So this implies y is equal to 4,000. So the expenditure of first person is equal to how much? 4y. 4 multiplied with 4,000, this is equal to 16,000 rupees. Then second person, expenditure of second person is equal to 3 multiplied with 4,000, that is equal to 12,000. So this is the answer. So here these are the steps to find the solution of a pair of linear equation in two variable by elimination method. So let us solve some more examples. So let us solve our next example. The equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So this is our first equation and this is second equation. So according to step 1, first I have to equate the coefficient of either x or y. So here I will equate the coefficient of y because here 6 is a multiple of 3, and if I will multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1, then the coefficient of y in both the equations will be equal. So equation 1 multiplied with 2. So this becomes 4x plus 6y is equal to 16. So this is equation 3. Then equation 2 multiplied with 1. So this implies 4x plus 6y is equal to 7. So then according to step 2, I will subtract equation, here let this is equation becomes 4, equation 4 from equation 3. So by subtraction, this is 0, 0. So 0 is equal to 9. So I got this statement which is a false statement. 0 cannot be equal to 9. So if in step 2 you will get a false statement, then it concludes that these equations has no solution. So the above equation have no solution, as we have a false statement in step 2. So if we will get a true statement but no variable present in the step 2, then it concludes that the two equations have infinitely more solution. If we will get a true statement with no variable, then the two equations will have infinitely more solution. So in this way we can follow the steps of the method of elimination to solve a pair of linear equation in two variables. Let us solve a word problem by the method of elimination. The sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. So in a two-digit number there are two digits. One is tens place digit and another one is ones place digit. So let the tens place digit is x and ones place digit is y. So here I am assuming let x is greater than y. We can also take x is less than y, but we will discuss that later. So here in first sentence the sum of a two-digit number. So if tens place digit is x and ones place digit is y, then what will be the two-digit number? So the two-digit number is equal to 10x plus y. Then what will be the reverse number? Reverse number means the tens place digit will be y and the ones place digit will be x. So the reverse two-digit number will be 10y plus x. So according to question, the sum of original two-digit number and the reverse two-digit number is 66. So according to question, their sum is, that means 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 66. So this implies 11x plus 11y is equal to 66. If we will simplify this, this becomes x plus y is equal to 6. So this is our first linear equation in two variables. So in the sentence it is given that the digits of the number differ by 2. Here I assumed as x is greater than y. So this implies second equation will be x minus y is equal to 2. So this is our second equation. So here I have to follow the first method or first step, that is to equate the coefficient of a variable. So here already the coefficient of x is equal and the coefficients of y are one is plus 1 and another one is minus 1. So if I will add these two equations, then the variable y will be eliminated. So I will add this. So this is plus. So 2x is equal to 8. So this implies x is equal to 4. So our tens place digit will be 4. So to find the value of y, I will put this value of x in either in equation 1 or equation 2. So putting this value of y, value of x in equation 1, what I will get? 4 plus y is equal to 6. So this implies y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. So our two-digit number is equal to 42. So here I have taken x is greater than y. That means the tens place digit is greater than ones place digit. If I will take the tens place digit is less than ones place digit, then the two-digit number will obtain, that is 24. So there are two numbers in which these conditions are satisfied. So here these are the methods of elimination to find out the solutions of a pair of linear equation in two variables.